Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to do an unboxing and take a look at everything you can expect to find in your new Panasonic soundbar. What we've got here is the HTB400 soundbar. We've actually got two different models in this series. We've got the HTB400, which is this one. We've actually got the HTB600 as well, and that comes with a separate active subwoofer. The subwoofer for this model is actually built in, so it's a little bit better for space saving and a little bit more compact because of that. Both of the models are available on our online stores. Links are in the description below, so if you are interested, take a look in that. And we are going to do a few more videos in terms of the features and how you can set up this soundbar, so do check those out as well. But for now, let's get into it and have a look at what comes in the box. So, first level of packaging, if we just ease this out, we've got there. Let's take a look at some of the first things. So, first things first, user guide. Obviously really important. Loads of great information about setting up the soundbar for the first time. So do have a look in there. Over on this side, we've actually got 2 feet for the soundbar. So if you are placing it on a surface, on a TV cabinet, for example, those are going to be really helpful. Likewise, we've got 2 wall brackets. So if you're considering wall mounting your soundbar, you can use those as well. And of course, to go along with those wall brackets and feet, you've got the necessary screws as well in that little bag. Of course, we've got the power cable here and the plug, and then the all-important remote control. Well, obviously, we'll get into this in a little bit more detail in the setup video, so do have a look at that. But now that we've covered those things, let's actually get the most important thing out, which is, of course, the soundbar itself. So there we go. I'll just get rid of this box. Soundbar comes really nicely protected in this wrap, so we'll just gently ease it out. There we go. And that's it. You can see there that the cable's already actually attached, so that doesn't come out. And that's pretty much it. That's everything you can expect to find in your box of your brand new HTB400. Do check out the video where we're going to set this up for the first time, show you some of the features and how you can really customize some of the sound features on this soundbar. Again, if you are interested in purchasing, do check out our online store. We have got offers running and you can find the right soundbar for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.